Data entry is the most basic things we can do in Excel, but there are some rules, some concepts that we should become familiar with. Let's enter the quarter revenue of the three tech giants here. I will enter the name of the tech giants to down. I will enter the quarters across here. Let's start by entering the name of the tech giants. We can locate by the mouse or with arrow keys here in A2. Let's start first entering to be Google, then down arrow to get the next cell, enter the Facebook, and the last one will be Microsoft. Here I missed the F here. We can edit it either by double clicking on it, or we can go to the formula bar and edit there simply. It's simple, we can edit it here. So, and here let me call this header to quarter 1, Q2 and Q3. Let's enter also random revenue in billions. First for Google 120 and 124. The next one is 140. Yeah, like I mistakenly changed the 0 to O. It automatically become left aligned. Notice it's become left aligned. So this tell me the input is not number. So go ahead and change the 0, the O with 0. Now it become right aligned. You can enter the other numbers, but the basic idea is numbers are always right aligned and the text are left aligned.